Everyone, it's 1:05 here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines, it's 7:05 na ng gabi. So, ngayon guys, kasi nga nagbuffet kami nung Sunday, and then kahapon, hindi ako kumain guys. Kaya, gutom ako ngayon guys. So, ayun guys, nagluto ako ng sotanghon, ayan guys. Yan, loaded pork, hot dog, and vets. So, ayan guys, gutom na ako guys. Kain tayo guys, talagang gutom na ako. So this is my kind of sotanghon guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, ang dami niyang laman guys. Daming karne nilagay ko dyan guys at beds. So ito lang yung kakainin natin ngayon guys. No rice pa rin today. Ito lang guys, lunch and dinner. So eto guys, kain tayo ng sotanghon. Masarap siya guys. Masarap niya talaga, promise. Babush!